Oh, it's, missile launcher. That's always fun. Oh. Oh, equipment. I don't really know what is there. It's like we have balls. I'll take the one that isn't really. Oh, okay. More mushrooms, nice. Let's heal up a bit. Alright, this is a good run. This is a good run. I think I just got a little bit better, to be honest, though. Oh! My favorite. Get a couple more of these, and, we'll be basically invincible. Oh, that wasn't as useful as I thought. Just die! Oh! Oh, another one, yes. Okay. Crowbar's always nice. What was up? What the hell is happening? Why are there just giant, like... What are those spikes? Why are they following me? Oh my god! Oh, there's a coin. Gas is always good. I don't know what this does. Increases my attack speed. Like, the cooldown? Because I don't think increases my attack speed is that useful, to be honest. Because I don't think my gun can get any faster. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it's more equipment. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna... Can I... There you go. Just gonna take that. Oh. Well, that's useful. Take that. Go in here. my, if it ever recharges. Just don't make any sound. Oh, I thought you would be dead! Oh! Flipping ninja! Let's just take another one. Just in case. What's the boss wave? Was there anything I missed on the outside? There was those. And there's that. I think I'll take that. I don't know what that does. Frenzy! What does that do? Prioritizes when it's... I don't know what that does. What? What does that mean? I should have wandered around for us. Oh well. What? Prioritizes when used when used with. Oh, so I use that instead of an actual uncommon item. Okay. So if there's a 3 printer thing. Whoa! What is? Oh yeah, that's I think I know what that is. It's kind of. I don't see that too often. Oh, no! Things that are faster than me, I do not like. 3 enemies remaining. I think I will take this time to kind of scout around. There's stuff over there. I got it. I should kill him. Compass. This bonus damage. Oh, I don't have enough money for that. Oh. know this drained extra fast, but you can just stay out here. Oh, I thought that would stun him a bit longer. You know, those potions have been kind of saving me, actually. Ooh, gas can. Ah, just die! I don't know what that was. Another health potion. Heal up, heal up. Oh! They don't really get stunned, these guys, do they? Go away! Okay, that would be useful.
Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
What? This is... Kill me! What was that? What? Thanks everyone for watching. You know, watching me fail, I guess. This is the channel. You should all take care. Bye.